I'm the nucleus. I am by far the most important organelle of the cell. I am the brain of the cell, and I tell the cell what to do. So stop thinking otherwise. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It gives a specific set of directions to each organelle. Without these directions, the organelle wouldn't know what to do, and the cell would die.
If it wasn't for the nucleus, we wouldn't look the way we look, and we wouldn't do the things we do.
The nucleus has chromosomes which carry genes and DNA are stored.
While speaking of genes and DNA, the nucleus is the reason we were born, and why we're not just unicellular organisms. The nucleus was the first organelle to ever be discovered. It is also the largest cellular structure in an animal cell. The nucleus is different depending on what job the cell is to do, usually in size and shape. For instance, a red blood cell is different from a white blood cell because they have different jobs to do.
When cells reproduce, the nucleus splits and makes copies of the chromosomes. This means that there are now two cells with the exact same traits.
The nucleus is surrounded by a membrane that is electively permeable. It can allow good things to flow in and out, but it can also keep the harm out.
The nuclear membrane is covered with nuclear pores, which is where substances either enter or exit. Every eukaryotic cell has a nucleus, whether it's a plant or an animal. See this? This grass has hundreds of plant cells with a nucleus in each one. If I were to sum it up and put it in perspective, living a day without the nucleus would be like living a day without your brain. Very difficult and downright impossible. I hope our campaign has showed you truly how important the nucleus is to all cells. For all nuclei across the universe, I'm Joe Philbrook. Thanks for watching. If I were to sum it up and put it in perspective... Whoops. If I were to sum it...
If it wasn't for the nucleus, we wouldn't look the way we look. We wouldn't step.
If I were to sum it up and put it in perspective, going a day with... Put it in perspective... Oh my god.
The nucleus has chromosomes where... There's a washing machine on it.
If I were to...
Gonna rip it out of the ground?